Hiccups, those pesky little interruptions we all experience. But have you ever wondered what really causes them? Hiccups occur when something irritates the nerves that control your diaphragm, primarily the vagus and phrenic nerves. Together, they form a pathway known as a reflex arc, which manages involuntary functions in our body. When these nerves get triggered by things like eating too quickly, sudden temperature changes, or even excitement, your diaphragm contracts involuntarily, leading to that unmistakable hic sound. It's a fascinating reminder of how our bodies work behind the scenes, even when we're not paying attention.